Guys, I'm here in DEMU shed Sadpur. Its project is going on and I think it will start operating soon, but right now there's no any kind of development working here. As you can see, the basic infrastructure are already prepared but no one is there, means the proper equipment is not installed properly right now. As you can see, this is the area where the DEMU train will come and stay, and this is kind of an area where the DEMU shed are being prepared again for traveling purposes. It's so huge, it's massive, and I really like it, man. As you can see, there's a kind of thing which rolling upside on roof. This is really amazing. The experience is really amazing. It's almost like no, I only just see that kind of infrastructures or kind of things in only television shows only, but right now I'm here and there's no any kind of thing is working. It's almost like abandoned, means no one is here. This is really unbelievable, but why it's not working I don't know. You can see here in front of me there's lots of boxes are already there. I think it is a kind of equipment which need to be installed here, but yeah, this is the place. As you can see, this is the place where the equipments are to be installed, in my opinion. What do you think? Tell me in the comment section. And you can see the equipments which are installed already here, the big equipments. I think this is a kind of crane which are used for lifting the heavy machinery, and installed here, and it seems like a new one, you know, and the company is Unicorn. I don't know what type of company it is, but it's new, almost new, but abandoned. There's a 4 crane. There's a 1, 2, and the 3 and the 4. So friends, as you can see, this is the outside part. This is really so big and the work is going on. As you can see, from outside it looks like this. This is kind of shed here. As you can see, this is a kind of different kind of tracks where train will come and goes into this shed and people will walk. This is really amazing. There is still works is going on. Yeah, I will show you this area as well, so stay with me. You can see I'm going to show you this place too, and here I am on a railway track, but I think it's not working. It's new, it's almost new. As you can see, the track is really amazing. I think newly built. It's new and it seems like abandoned too. This is amazing. Yeah, I always want to explore this kind of abandoned place as well, because I watch a lot of videos on YouTube. The people are trying to explore the abandoned area, but they are much older. But the place where I'm here right now, this is not an older one. This is a new one, and I think due to lack of fund, this project is stopped right now. But I will show you everything, I swear. This is amazing. As you can see, this place is really big. Lots of, oh no man, I don't know what's the name of this equipment, but it seems like a very amazing thing. As you can see, What is this, my friends? Please tell me in the comment section. And yeah, I enter in this facility as well. As you can see, there's nothing much here, but yeah, this is some kind of equipments here. I think it's a kind of machinery which are used for supplying electricity or any kind of controller, some kind of thing. This is a big one, this is a small one, this is a medium one, and this is a, I don't know what is this, but yeah, these all equipments are connected with each other, and they are connected. As you can see, they are all connected, and this is a big machine. I don't know why it's installed here and what is the work of this kind of machine, but I really like it. It's so big. And here it's a small shed, as you can see, and the train will came from this side and just stay on the platform. I don't know it's elevated or automatic, I don't know anything, but I'm not a technical guy and I don't have any kind of background of mechanical engineering, etc., so I don't know anything, but I am very much attracted towards that kind of things which I see, because it's so amazing. As you can see, it came from the ground area and go to the outside, and I think it throws something outside. I think it's some kind of waste, but the size of the machine is really big and installed here, but it's not working right now. So it's so strange again. I don't know why, but everything is installed but not working. Let's explore more. I think this abandoned area is I think due to lack of fund, the government stopped that development area of this project. I think the documents are everywhere. This is a wagon wheel, as you can see. This is the pole. These are big wires, bundle of wires, the generators, everything is there. As you can see, my friends, this is the all tracks here, and in front of me this is the big shed one and the small shed one, and this is all kind of tracks everywhere. But the thing is, no any kind of, this is, I think this is some kind of disappointment. Guys, as you can see, this is a silent generator. It's so big as well, and there's 3 generators are there. I think it's for power backup, because generally in India the supply of the electricity is not constant. As you can see, to maintain the production, I think it's stalled. There's a big 3 generators are there. This is the small one, this is the, both are small, and that are big one. This is really amazing. And as you can see, the another building is still working, means the work in progress. This is work in progress, as you can see, and I think it will take lots of time to build. Yeah, this DEMU shed area is spread in a very large area. As you can see, this building is not ready right now. Some work is still need attention of the government, and I think government should work. Let's look at the size of these wires. It's so much big and thick as well. As you can see, this is so thick, and this lots of wires are bundled here, and it just spread it under the land. As you can see, this one is supply to the, I think it's connected this one with that one, and it's a kind of electricity supply wire. This is so big, as you can see. It's so big.